Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings so we can open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category. Now at the second position we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my picture looks like. Let's tap to center to get access to gallery options, and here we have to move to right corner button at the bottom and pick the details. Now at the last space we have location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap here and get quick access to Google Maps to check our location at the map. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.